Hey guys, good to have you guys back to the channel. This is another video on weekly market outlook. So I really hope you guys had a great week. So as we are getting ready for the new trading week ahead, I would like to go through some process that help me to get and see and know what to expect from price action in this coming week. So without further ado, let's dive into the chart and let's see what price has to offer. But as you guys know, first of all, we have to go online to check what the fundamental coming up this week. That's to say on Forex Factory. Forex Factory, let's get familiar with the news coming out this week so we know how to place ourselves. So yeah, this week, October 22nd to October 28th, what are we expecting? On Monday, no price action. So Monday on its own is going to be a low probability week. And also how last week was, the whole of last week was kind of a low probability. Sitting out on Monday is going to be a no-brainer. In this case, we don't have any red fold, and so the week starts on Tuesday. Wow, Tuesday we really have a huge news event coming out on GBP and Euro USD, and still on USD we have some red folder news. So we see how that play out. On Wednesday we had news on Euro and USD, and on Thursday we have news on Euro and USD too. So it's like we really have Euro news coming up next week. That's a new huge one. And on Friday we have news on just USD. So we have news coming up Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Wow, this week is going to be a handful. So I'm really sure trades are going to present itself during these news events. So Thursday and Tuesday, we should watch out for Thursday and Tuesday. So yeah, now let's dive into the chart and see what price action is saying there. So first of all, we go into the dollar index. So we have to analyze the dollar to see where the dollar stands in the grand scheme of things. So as you can see, the dollar has been on an uptrend, and last week was just quite a range because this was what happened. This was where last week started, and we were just trading between this range here. So last week was a low probability week. So going forward now, we are expecting what we shouldn't see in price is for price to break this low. So we are not expecting price to go below this low here because price has already grabbed liquidity here. So there's no point of price coming below this low. If price decides to trade below this low, any bullish bias should be gotten rid of, because at that point we shouldn't be holding any bullish bias, because as it stands now, the dollar is still bullish, so we shouldn't expect price coming down below this low. What we should expect is for price to take out this high going into the next week. So we have to watch and see how that unfolds. So going to the next week, this is what we should be looking for. On the dollar, we should be expecting something like this going to the next week. Still bullish on the dollar. So what bullish on the dollar, what does that signify on Euro USD and GBP USD? First of all, on GBP USD, if we are bullish on the dollar, we should be expecting GBP USD to sell. So we should be going into this week looking for sales. So let's just go in for our chart. So yeah, GBP USD has been bearish, so we need to see the continuation. We don't want to see price trade above this high again. So what we should be expecting is for price to target this low. Yeah, so what we should look for is price doing this and selling off from this zone. So we are looking for is sell signal coming into this week on GBP USD, and similar to Euro USD. similar to Euro USD, since Euro USD has been bullish last week. We want to see price reject this zone, since we're having huge news on Tuesday coming out on Euro. So we want to see price reject. We want to see price reject this zone. We don't want to see price break above this area. We want to see price reject this zone and sell off from there. That should be on Tuesday or yeah, on Tuesday. So we'll see how that plays out. And yeah, this is just a quick outlook on what to expect this week. I hope to catch you guys on the next video. You guys do have a good trading week ahead. Peace.